Hi friends, now we are going to discuss about the continuation of complex numbers. This 5.1 exercise problems. The first one, express each of the following in the form of a plus ib. The first bit is given 5i into minus 3 by 5 into I. So now I'm going to multiply these two. Here 5 cancel, then we have I into minus 3i multiplying with I into I square, so minus 3 into I square. But as we know that I square value minus 1, so minus 3 into minus 1, since I square equal to minus 1. So minus of minus plus, so into plus 3. This 3 can be written as 3 plus I into 0. So which in the form of a plus ib, where real part is 3, imaginary part is a 0. Second one, I power 9 plus I power 9 plus I power 19. I power 9 plus I power 19. So consider I power 9 plus I power 19. We know that I square equal to minus 1. Whenever I square equal to minus 1, then I cube equal to, I cube can be written as I square into I square is minus 1, then I cube is equal to minus I. Then I power 4 is equal to, I power 4 can be written as I square into I square, so minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Now, this I power 4, I power 9 plus I power 19, I am taking common as I. Then we get I power 8 plus I power 18. So I into, so I power 8 can be written as I square whole power 4, because a power m whole power m is equal to a power m into n, plus this I power 18 can be written as I cube whole power 6. So I into I square value we have minus 1, so minus 1 whole power 4, plus I cube is minus I, so minus I whole power 6. So I into minus 1 whole power 4 means nothing but 1, plus minus I whole power 6 means I power 6. So 1 plus I power 6 again can be written as I square whole cube. So I into 1 plus I square is minus 1, minus 1 whole power 3 means minus 1. So minus of plus is equal to minus 1. So that equal to I into 0 is equal to 0. This 0 can be written as 0 plus I into 0. So which in the form of a plus ib. Next, third bit, I power minus 39. So it can be written as I power minus 1 into minus I power minus 38. That is equal to I power minus 1 means 1 by I into I power minus 38 can be written as I square whole to the power minus 19. So 1 by I into I square is minus 1 whole power minus 19, that equal to 1 by I into this can be written as 1 by minus 1 whole power 19. So which is equal to 1 by I into 1 minus 1 whole power 19 means minus 1. So minus 1. So that equal to minus 1 by I. Now multiply with I and divide with I, which is equal to minus I by I into I square. I square means minus 1. That is equal to I. This I can be written as 0 plus I into 1. So which in the form of A plus IB. Next one. Fourth one. Three into 7 plus 7I plus I into 7 plus 7I. So here 7 plus 7I is common. We can take common. Otherwise, directly multiply 3 into 7 21 plus 3 into 7 21I. I into 7 means 7I plus 7 into I square. So 21 plus 21I plus 7I, that is equal to 28I. I square equal to minus 1. So 21 plus 28 into I plus into minus 7. 21 minus 7, which is equal to 14 plus 28I. So which in the form of A plus IB. Now coming to next bit, fifth one. 1 minus I minus of minus 1 plus 6I. Now 1 minus I multiply with negative into negative positive, 1 plus into minus 6I. Now adding the like terms, 1 plus 1 2 minus I minus 6I, which gives minus 7I. That's the question number 5. Now coming to the next one, sixth problem. 1 by 5 plus I into 2 by 5 means 2 by 5 into I minus 4 plus 5 by 2 into I. We should express in the form of A plus IB. Now take LCM in these two. The 5 is LCM. Then we get 1 plus 2I. 1 plus 2I. Here 2 is LCM. Then you will get 8 plus 5I. 8 plus 5I. Now if you take LCM again for 5 and 2, the LCM is 10. Then you will get 2 into 1 plus 2I minus 5 into 8 plus 5I. Now multiply with 2 table, 2 into 1 2 plus 4I minus 40 minus 25I by 10. Now on adding the like terms, 2 minus 40 minus 38 plus 4I minus 25I, nothing but minus 21 into I by 10. Dividing both the terms with 10, minus 38 by 10 minus 21 into I by 10. So you can go for simplest form. Here 2 19s and 2 5s minus 21 I by 10. So which in the form of A plus IB, or else we can write minus 19 by 5 plus of and it's 21 by 10 into, so this is in the form of a plus ib. Now we have similar models. I'm going to the next problem. 8th one. 1 minus I whole to the power 4. 1 minus I whole to the power 4. So it can be written as 1 minus I whole to the power 4 can be written as 1 minus I whole square, which in the form of a minus b whole square formula. So a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 1 minus a whole square means a square means 1 square plus b square means I square minus 2ab means minus 2I whole square. Now on simplifying, I square value is minus 1, so minus into plus minus 1 minus 2I whole square. 1 minus 1 0, then minus 2I whole square is equal to 4 into I square. I square value is minus 1, so 4 into minus 1 is equal to minus 4. So 1 minus I whole power 4 equal to minus 4. So we have some similar models. We'll go for the next model. Write the multiplicative inverse of the given complex numbers. The next model. Write the multiplicative inverse of the given complex numbers. The 11th question is given 4 minus 3i. 4 minus 3i, which is the given complex numbers. They are asking to write the multiplicative inverse. So let it be z equal to 4 minus 3i. 4 minus 3i. So whenever the product of two numbers is equal to 1, then we can say each number is multiplicative inverse of other. From this we can write a equal to 1 by b or b equal to 1 by a, which means a is the multiplicative inverse of b or b is the multiplicative inverse of a. So here z equal to 4 minus 3i, the multiplicative inverse of z is a multiplicative inverse the multiplicative inverse is equal to 1 by z. 1 by z. So it's equal to 1 by 4 minus 3i. 1 by 4 minus 3i.